thing works. This thing works. Alright. Hello YouTube. I'm going to be doing a tutorial. Well, not really such a tutorial because let's stretch. Because there is multiple videos about this, but nothing really, I guess, clear. I mean, in my eyes, I guess. Um, we'll get all to that later. So, it's not really something in my eyes that is super clear in around this topic, and that is how to add FiveM cards to a server. Everything is old, or some things are just not clear enough, or some things are, some leave out things or stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how first to make your own server. Alright, so this is my test server. The X's are because of OneDrive, so you won't have X's or these X's or the little circles by your stuff. So this is my test server. This is all the stuff, and I'm gonna show you how to get all of this. And resources. This is all of mine. This is all this. Boom, boom. Okay, boom. Anyway, those are all my vehicles and stuff in my test server, and I am still fresh to this. So if I get something wrong, I'll correct it when I edit the video. If I don't catch it during the video. Okay, so go back. Alright, so you want to go, if you want to make your own server, as in even just a local hosted, and just for your own play, like just you to play, just for that, just for you to play it. You're gonna go to no, what is it? Doc. Yeah, it's docs.fivem.net. This right here. Alright, so you go to server menu. If you just typed in that right there, server menu. But I'll probably most likely link this in the description right here. Alright, setting up a server. Setting up a server right here. So ignore the prerequisites. Prerequisites. Can't even talk. Ignore that. And yeah, you just ignore that right now. You don't need that. Well, I didn't need that. I was told I didn't need that. Yeah, you don't need that. Okay, so I'm going to do this with you. No. New folder. So you can name this folder anything you want. We're just gonna name it test2. Test2s server. No, test2. Yeah, it's just test2 server. And then there's one over here. Okay. Now you're gonna have to go to this link right here. Artifact server. Click this, and then hold on. Okay, and then tap this link, and then tap server zip. Your server's gonna download. It says one because I already have one, and right here. Now you're not gonna have no check marks either because of OneDrive. Anyway, let's just click this. Now what you're gonna want to do is, hold on. See everything in here. Everything in here you're going to highlight. Not that. This is WinRAR, by the way. You're gonna need that. I'm going to link that in the description as well. We're gonna drag this over. Where did it go? Test2 server. No. Everything's in here. You won't have this neither. Yeah, now everything is in here. Let me go back. Let me get the resources. You can close that out. You don't need that anymore. Where did I get my resource from? Do I still have extra resources? Okay, alright. I'm gonna gonna link this in the description. This is the resource, and this is everything you need. This is another essential part to the game. So, I already have one, but I'm going to download another one. Boom. Master 1, as you see, I already have one. Alright, you click this, then highlight that, and then, oh snap, it's in the way. Then you highlight this, and then put it in there. You just replace that, it don't matter. But you definitely need the resources folder. Now, it is a lot of stuff we have to do. I just realized how I've been working on this for 2 days. I haven't really got to play it. I've only got to play it for like say about a total of 2 hours. But I've been working on it for 2 days for like 10 hours, and just make sure everything works and putting in cars and stuff like that. Let me okay, so now what you're gonna want to do, create a text document. Text document, boom. Just type in anything you want. Just randomly put anything in there. Put it DF, boom. Alright, notepad. This is normal notepad, but let's just open that a little bit, please, and thank you. Now, let's just don't need this right now. Put this back. So you can close this window once you get it, but I'm gonna leave it open. No, where is it at? Right here. Alright, so you need WinRAR or 7-zip. Either or works. WinRAR I'm going to link in the description, because that's what I'm using. And if you don't have OpenIV, you need OpenIV. Run the server data folder, for example, in plain bam. Alright, now this is your server config. You need this before you even can do that. You need to create your server configuration file. So, okay, highlight everything in this and drag it to here. Hold up a second. Why can't I? Just copy and paste it. Same shit. Don't know why it even wouldn't let me drag it. Okay. Copy it from here, paste it in here. Now, change your license key. I'm going to show you how to get all of this right here. So let me just delete that. Where's that freaking password stuff? Host name. Change it to, hold on. Change this to whatever you want. Just gonna type in LV4X server 2. Alright, LV4X server 2, boom. Now where is the password thing? Now, where's that? Set this to 1 if you want to have scripts and stuff in there. Like lambda menu, any of that, you need this allowed. If it's 0, it won't work. Where's the password stuff at though? I'm not looking for this. It's something that already has something in it. I don't see it. Alright, anyway. Okay, so where is Do not edit if you do want your server to be this thing. Yeah, I don't see what I'm looking for. Yeah, you don't have to mess with none of this stuff though. Max clients, you can. This is how many people you can have and you're able to have in your server. Whether it's home hosted or whatever, you can set this however many you want. Only up to 32. Okay, well let's just go get the master key. Okay, so you're going to go to keymaster.fivem.net. Now, when you get into this website, it's going to ask you to log in, and you're not going to have a login to this website. Then yes, I have my inspect element up, so I can block my IP and my key. Okay, that's annoying. Come on. Alright. So you're going to go to this website right here. It's going to ask you to sign in, then it's going to ask you to prove that you're not a robot. Then just do the captcha, and then it'll redirect you automatically. You don't have to press done or anything. You don't have to select pictures. It's just press the checkbox. So when you do that, you're going to have nothing right here. This is my server. So I already have one. So we can register another one. Now, server IP address. This is not even valid address, so don't even look. Server IP address will be get out of my way. 127. Boom boom. That's for the public IP address. Label. Name it what you want. And I hate that Google is basically exposing my stuff. Let's just do this. 2. Pick a server type. Home hosted. That's for this. That's with this IP. You need home hosted. Okay, I didn't. Alright. Captcha. Boom. Alright. Generate. Oh shit. Put your key right here. Just copy and paste. No apostrophe, no nothing. Just leave it how it was. So 2 spaces right here. If you deleted them, I believe it's 2 spaces. Yes, 2 spaces. No, 1 space. Okay. All right. So, you set your license key right there. All right. Now you save this as save as. Type it exactly like this. Server dot oh shit, config cfg server dot cfg, lowercase, all lowercase. You may have more things right here. You may have to scroll up, but find your all files. So hit that so everything shows up. So everything shows up. Alright. Alright. Boom. Now once you save it, you will need you will need Notepad plus plus to re-edit it and open it again. Other than that, even OpenIV will only be able to just view it as a text, but once you save it, you won't be able to see it anymore. So here it is right here. COG file, and as you see, Notepad plus plus. This is the only way you'll be able to edit it. Let me close all this shit. Let me close all of this stuff. That's all my other stuff. Alright. Now, make a server starter. So where's the freaking, okay, so you need to copy this. This is the command script. Copy. Boom. Now you're gonna paste it in here. You're gonna call it server starter. Server starter. Alright, boom. Well, let me look at my other one real quick. No, not that. Dang. Can I just view it? I just want to view. Edit, let me see. So, this is all you need. Literally all you need. And this will start everything in the config folder. I mean, the config file. So, I'm going to paste this. I'm not gonna. You can change this. This is not obviously going to be your directory. But, let's just put this in our server starter. This is test server 1. This is my second test server right here. I do not want to do that. No, I'm about to shrink this. Alright. Now, where did it go? Edit. You won't need, actually you won't need, no, I didn't say that. So you won't need Notepad++ to open this file, the command file. But once you copy it from the run, this will be in here already. I think this is to set the color as 0. I mean green. I don't know. I just heard that. Don't know for sure, so just delete it. Now this is normal stock Windows Notepad. This is Notepad++. See the difference? This one can write code and all that other stuff. This one just it's literally text. So put this all in here. Echo off. Then just type in it. You can just type this in. You don't even have to copy it. Echo space dash. Not two that. I did not. Okay, not 2 dashes. Echo. Boom. No. Boom. Echo. Boom. Pause. Start. And then you're gonna put your directory right there. Hold on. I'm gonna do all that after this. Server. Hold on, you gotta put that with caps. Started. Exit. Alright, boom. That's all you need to, well, as many lines you need. Then you put right here whatever your server name is, put it on this line right here. And what is the server called? What did I call it? LV server 2. What did I even call this? LV4X server 2. Server 2 start command. Alright. Oh snap. Caps do matter. Command. Alright, pause. Now we gotta get our directory. So directory goes where start is. Now you're going to do copy this directory right here. Copy address. Start space then paste. Okay, then do this. Backslash. I'm gonna copy it. Copy. Now you're gonna paste. Well, I'm not. Now you're not gonna paste it, but you're gonna type it. So backslash run.cmd space plus exec space server.config, which is CFG. I keep saying config because that's what I mean. CFG, and then that's it. That's it. Then you're done. Save. Get out of this. Now I'm gonna just show you that it works. Hold on. Let me put mine back. Okay. So server 2 start command. These lines are where the echoes are. Echo, echo, echo. Boom. Now it's important that you do this right here. Let it go through your firewall. Allow access. Now, as you guys can see, while I did all that, if you don't let it go through your firewall, it will not work. When you try to, I have to keep stretching. It will not work when you load into FiveM. It will not work. Do not mean to type that. So sometimes you may want to do this. Hard to beat. I don't normally do it though. Boom, 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 boom. Just send it a couple times. Send heartbeat a couple times to FiveM, and then it'll be fine. Now, this is the simple part. So your server is now up and running. Let me just go to FiveM and show you, because that's really all the hell you need. Now let's start FiveM. I turned that damn music off. Alright, why? I don't know. Okay, cool. Sure. And it's nothing to do with this. This is just because FiveM is just irritating. Now, what the freak? Yeah, you don't need. Yeah, I'm finished here. Yeah, nothing. You don't need nothing. Let me rerun this just in case. Authenticate server license key. If your license key is a valid license key, it will do this. Authenticating with nucleus. Then it's not wrong. It's just authenticated, and then that's their little. That's this right here. That's all of that. All right. Let me go back into FiveM. Close this. I don't know for sure if you load into FiveM single player that it will work the same. I don't know because in FiveM single player it's just single player. I don't know for sure if when you load into this it will load up your server. I'm not sure. And FiveM's not loaded. Oh, never mind. It's loaded. No. Boom. As you guys can see. I keep saying boom. As you guys can see, you're now in your server. Let's just let it load. This is the stock FiveM loading screen. You can change this yourself, but I personally do not know how to change this right now. It's very easy. And now you can see we're in the game. Now, by default, you will not have super jump before. And let's just show you everything's working. Let's just go to that. You will not have the Lambda menu. You will not if you don't have it already installed on your game. Let's just get out of this because there's nothing in here. This is rock bone. Bone dry. Edit to Windows. Yes. No. Let's just close that. Just close that. Go to your server folder, wherever it is. Now, I'm going to show you how to replace vehicles and put add-in vehicles on, and then turn add-on vehicles into replacement vehicles. So this works with pretty much vehicle. Okay. Pretty much any vehicle this will work with. Okay, let's just make a new folder. No. Vehicles. This is just do this to stay organized. You don't have to. Close. Alright, so now you have a vehicles folder. I currently do not know how to do plugins, but if you want plugins, okay. I don't know why. Lately, this computer got all this stuff, and it wants to do this. Like literally, this is CyberPower PC. Like this has all that money and stuff. Anyway, if you want folder, new folder, boom, plugins, and this is for like scripts and stuff. No, not scripts. What's it for? It's for like for instance, if you put for real fuel in, stuff like that, it'll work with. Can we just put this up here? I just want to put it up there. Okay. It normally just jumps up there. Yours probably will jump up there. Yeah, like that. Anyway, so for your vehicles, let's go find a vehicle. I'm gonna start fresh. I'm not gonna get anything. You close that. I don't need that. You can close. Just GTA 5 mods.com. Let's close. Let's minimize that. There's too much going on. Alright, so let's go find a vehicle. What is this? This is just the add-on. Okay, doesn't matter. Now with some vehicles, I'll show you what problem you'll encounter after this. So this is a straight add-on car, straight add-on, only add-on. Now I don't know if it's FiveM ready, but who cares? Some vehicles may come FiveM ready, but then I'll show you. It's a nice car. Okay, I'm gonna add this to my server. Let's download this. I'll add this to my server, but I'll still show how this works. Then I'll add this car to my server as well. How does the inside look? Okay, alright. Nice. So this person has like some nice add-ons actually. Can you follow somebody on here? I'm just opening the window. Let's just close all of that. Boom. Alright, so we have our vehicles. So SRT392, I'm gonna just save that one for later. This is the AMG GTS DLC RPF. Now you need OpenIV for this right here. This is one of the vehicles you need OpenIV for. So right here it says server 2. Boom. Let's just shorten this too, because this is gonna annoy me. Vehicles. Create a vehicle folder. Well, not a vehicle folder, but a car folder. So this one is Mercedes AMG. So we'll just do AMG GT. GT3. Where's the GT 63? Yes. Alright. Now, put a folder inside of here. Let that load. It sucks. Oh. Let this stuff load. If you don't have OneDrive, this will not even do that. Okay, I didn't even. Alright. So, you're gonna put a new folder in here. Boom. Now, hold on. I just got brain freeze for brain farted for a second. So you're gonna make a new folder inside of the AMG folder, and call it stream. Boom. Now you're gonna open your DLC RPF. Let's minimize that. You're gonna need OpenIV. If you don't have Grand Theft Auto 5 installed on your computer at all, you won't be doing this period because you don't have FiveM. You won't be able to play FiveM. Anyway, so you're going to go to 64. No, yeah, 64. GTA 5. Most vehicles will have the vehicle RPF right here. If not, just follow what I'm doing. Then we're gonna get to this in a second right here. So GTA 5 vehicles RPF. You're gonna get all of these, put them into stream. Did I only put 2 in there? Yep, I only put 2. And then make sure you have all of them. This is most of them. Most of the time, it will not just do this. It will say .ytd, but I have it so where I can edit YTD files with OpenIV, so it won't show it. But other than that, it's not a problem. Other than that, let's go back. Alright, go back again. Now, if your vehicle has mods, open its RPF. Let's do that, and then put it in the stream folder as well. No, I don't think that. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. So then you go to common, then go to data. You get the car codes, car variations, and handling. DLC text does not matter. You can delete this. This is just irrelevant. Okay, anytime. If you don't have OneDrive, your Finder will not do this at all. Okay. No, I want to delete that. You don't need that. Alright, so I'm sure you don't need that because I just deleted it and the car will work and be just fine. Alright, so now what you do need for this car to work, period, is a resource folder. Let me make sure. Yeah, you need that too. Some people will just have. Alright, let's just slow down. Some mod makers will have all of the vehicles, all of that just right here. You will not have to go in there. But if you don't see vehicles, then go in here in GTA 5 and then check for the vehicles meta. So other than that, now you need a resource _resource Lua folder. So now I'm gonna make one, even though I didn't even make one when I made my server. New text document. And now it's 2 underscores, 2 resource dot Lua. I did that wrong. Did I? Yeah, I did do that wrong. Hold on. Let's just go to any vehicle here. You gotta type it in caps. Shh. Great. Make sure you type it in caps. Rename. I don't even know if it'll work now. Is it gonna, work? Save as. files. Will that work? Yeah, no. It's just being a dickhead. Alright, well, I'm just gonna link one in the description. Because apparently, right now, for me, I think that's a freaking comma. No, it's not. Yeah. No, I spelled it wrong. No, I didn't even spell it wrong. I don't know what the hell is going on here. So you're gonna delete that. I'm gonna just take one from a different vehicle. So if it's not a FiveM ready vehicle, you have to create one. In this case, it's not even working for me right now. It's not working for me right now, so I'm just gonna take one from my other vehicles. So this is pretty much the base. Copy. Go back. Hold on, go back. Alright, let's paste this. Alright. It's gonna pop up. This OneDrive stuff, if your stuff will instantly, your file will instantly jump up. But since I have OneDrive and it needs to load and all this other stuff, it will jump up eventually. So, out. Oh, I just hurt my back. My phone just fell. Perfect. Alright. Now, you think you're done? No, you're not. You're just about done, though. So now, AMG GT3S. Make sure in the resource folder that all of this is the same. Well, not the same, but make sure it has everything that's in here. Like, if it has extra, then that's fine. Like, this one has a vehicle layouts meta, but you don't really need this line, so just delete it. But it doesn't matter if it's there or not, because there's no vehicle layouts meta anyway. Alright, now this one has cargo variants. Alright, yeah, so that's really it on this one. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go and go make sure this vehicle works. Let's show you one last thing to do before you even AMG GT63. Now you're gonna go into your server config file where it says ensure, because it doesn't say start anymore. It would have said start if you have an older version, I believe. Ensure. You type this line in. Type it exactly the way it is in your folder. So, for instance, mine is AMG, no caps, GT63S. Ensure. Make sure you do that. Save. Boom. Let's move. Done. Now you're done. Let's just start that. Now, as you guys can see, start a resource. AMG GT63S. If it wasn't if your name isn't valid, this wouldn't work. This will give you an error code. Now you don't have to do the heartbeat stuff. Close that. Open up FiveM. Let me just show you guys that this vehicle works. Now you could just, I'm gonna show you how to get that localhost button, because you will not have it in your FiveM already. So $250,000 coupe. I said that completely wrong. Yeah. Alright. Now in the game. Oh, parking lot. Perfect. Now if you don't have Lambda menu, you're gonna have to install one. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so you go to vehicles, vehicle spawner, spawn vehicle by name. and I didn't even look at them. Hold on, what's this vehicle called? Hold on. Yeah, thank you. Now you want to open. So whatever the vehicle name is, hold on, not on the folder, but right here. Okay, so pretty much same thing. AMG GT63S, whatever. That will be its spawn name. No. AMG GT63S, I believe that's it. And boom, right there. Now, is this vehicle messed up at all? No, it's not. It's an okay model. There's probably something wrong with it. I'm gonna show you that all the mods work too. Hold on, let me get in. I think this is. Now let me show you that the mods work. Random cosmetics. It's a bumper. Stuff on the grill. I don't even think this has a stand-up spoiler. That's pretty much not really much to it. But yes, it works. Have that. As you guys see, the car is not see-through. Pretty solid. Get out of here. Now I'm going to show you how to replace a vehicle with an add-on. It works the same as where's the game at? It works the same. The way I'm about to do it, it works the same with add-on vehicles and replacement vehicles. So whether a vehicle says add-on or add-on only or replace only, it works the same way. So I'm going to go into your test server too. Let's go in here, vehicles, create a new vehicle folder. Let's just call it replace. You call this the vehicle name. I just put replace because we haven't found a vehicle yet. I'm not going to use the Charger. I mean the Challenger. Should I just use the Challenger? I'm just use the Challenger. No. Yeah, I'm use the Challenger. Forget it. Alright. I'm going to just do it in my server then. Because I don't want to add it twice. So, let's just add. Let's not do that. I need to upgrade RAM. I need like 32 gigabytes. Okay, new folder. SRT392. Child. Okay, not child. LOL. SRT392 child. Okay. Where's the car at anyway? This is not it, this is Mercedes. Let's open a new file explorer. I don't even know if this has to do with memory. I don't know what that has to do with. I think it does. So gonna go find your add-on car. This is add-on. You can go find any car you want. Any car you want. No. SR2392. Boom. DLC RPF. Alright, close this. I don't need this. Alright. DLC RPF. Boom. The open IV load. Meanwhile, let's make your stream folders. Stream. You need the stream folder, whether it's an add-on vehicle or it's a replacement vehicle. You always need that, and you always need a resource Lua. And I recommend once you get a resource Lua file, just keep copying and pasting it. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. I'm waiting on this to load. Anyway, meanwhile, while that's okay, all right. Do I have it copied right now? Yes, I do. All right, now, as you guys see, the Hyara, which is I copied this from, that car was FiveM ready. So, as you guys see, that's why it says they modified that long ago, because I wasn't even on my computer that long ago, because I was going through computer changes and stuff. So you're going to go to, this one doesn't even have the vehicles RPF just in open, so you have to dig for this one. So not even really so much dig, but 64 levels, GTA 5 vehicles, vehicle RPF, SRT392, drop. Alright, cool. Did I get them all? Yes, I did. Alright, cool. Now this vehicle has no mods, I guess. The data will be language. Data level. Hold on. So you pretty much do the same thing as you did for the add-on vehicle. If the replacement vehicle has any of this, put it in there. Make sure you put it right here, because replaced vehicles will not have all of this. Vehicles matter. They will not have really much any of this. They'll probably have handling and car codes or car variations. You'll not rarely, but you won't really commonly run across a replacement vehicle that'll have that. So let's replace this for the Gauntlet, because I know the Gauntlet YFT is just Gauntlet. Now, if you don't know what vehicle you want to replace it with, if it's an add-on, let's go to my, this is my, hold on. Let me open my FiveM stuff. Didn't mean to do that. Properties. Then you're gonna go open file location. Then you're gonna copy this address. Then open IV. You're gonna open a folder. Okay, I just have it open already. Never mind. Alright, now you're in FiveM application data, which will be right here when you type in that address. Well, not type it in, just paste it. You go to mods, update, use a mod folder when you want to use plugins and stuff. So update, this is for DLC packs. Now, these I failed on. These terribly failed on them. That's when I didn't even know how to do this stuff. So you do not put no vehicles in DLC packs. That's just, anyway. So let's find the vehicle we want to. Oh snap, I didn't even select the folder. I'm just going. Make sure you select the folder. So select folder, update, hold on, update, this. Now let's find the Gauntlet. You're gonna have to do some searching, I'll tell you that much, because there's different vehicles in all of these. This is not even a vehicle one. Let's find vehicles. Vehicles RPF. No. 64. Follow all the paths I'm going. Do not. Gauntlet. No, it's not in this one. I know it's just Gauntlet. Why TF? Ouch. So you're just gonna keep looking for it. You could probably just look at the video. You don't even have to do all of this. Just when I find it, just look at where I'm at, because it'll be the same on your game. Here. It'll be in one of the patch days. All of the other folders you see are vehicles that are DLC vehicles. Okay, you know what? Where is the gauntlet? Ouch, my ear hurts. That's vehicle modifications. Yeah, don't just keep following where I'm going, 'cause by the way, this is how you find vehicle spawn names, even though they'll be in the menu defaultly because they're the default game spawn. Default game cars. GTA 5 vehicles RPF. I'm just try. Should I just? I think it's just Gauntlet. I'm gonna try to find. Those vehicles RPF. I'm gonna look for them. But anyway, yeah, just find the gauntlet. You don't even have to find it at this point because I can't even find it. But you're gonna do this right here. If you want to just replace the vehicle, if you want to just add on, it's all ready to go already. So, and then you just spawn it by the SRT392 name, and then you make sure you put the insure. Just to show you guys that. So you're gonna do this. Go to each name. Gauntlet YFT. Go to each name. Gauntlet dot YFT. YTD. And then gauntlet underscore high. Make sure you put the underscore high. That's important. If you deleted it. Well, now that's it. That's pretty much it. Make sure this is all spelled right. I spelled gauntlet wrong. I'm retarded. I spelled gauntlet. Underscore high. how you spell gauntlet, because I'm just retarded. No caps, gone. Select dot YTD. Like I said, the dot YTD doesn't matter on my case because I have it's where it's set up so I can edit on OpenIV. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Once again, I'm gonna delete this daggone DLC. No, I'm gonna just keep it. Just keep it. And replace it right here. Now, I'm gonna show you how to replace it if you want to replace one. Not replace, I'll replace the code of text right here. So, since I have DLC text, make sure it's all caps. DLC underscore text underscore file. And then you're gonna put in lowercase right here DLC text. DLC text. DLC text. Alright. Now you're done. That's all you have to do. Make sure. Yeah, that's it. Alright, now go back to your server config. And since I have all of these cars right here, just do insert what do I have the folder name as? SRT392 Chow. SRT392 Chow. Type it the exact way as it is on the folder. Save. Hit save. Boom. Then you close that already. I don't need that. I don't need that. Don't need that. Alright. Now we're ready to start. Now we're ready to see our replacement car. And you continue. As you guys see, all of my starter resources have started, especially the 392 one right here. Never takes this long, but alright. Just run that again, because that just took entirely too long. Maybe I shouldn't have messed with it. Yeah, I should have messed with it. Anyway, here we go. Boom. Close that finder in the back. Just minimize that, or else your server will not be found by FiveM. Now here we go. Now let me show you how to get local text. Local host. FiveM, what are you doing? I don't know what I just did, but cool. Once again, open FiveM. Go to settings. Now I use dark theme because it's more pleasant on the eyes. But enable localhost, or you will not see that button. Like you don't see it right here. Enable localhost. tap localhost. Now, you may think everything's cool and good. Yeah, you're loading up into my server. Well, that's just one plus. But if your vehicle crashes your server, then sorry y'all. Then it will you'll be in the game for like not even a minute, and then it will kick you out and give you a cash. No. All I have to do, since it's a replacement vehicle, go to cars. Alright. Find your dreams. Go to monsters. Gauntlet. I think I don't have the name right. You know what? We're not gonna use Gauntlet. I'm going to find a different vehicle. Because, yeah. Oh. Server 2. Server 2 is still. Make sure you please close your past your other server thing. I'm thinking I didn't even do it right. Alright, well. Where's my server starter once again? Cause I really thought I was just confused. Like it would have gave me an error or something. Alright, minimize that. FiveM. If I didn't see that server 2, I would have just messed with the car again. Now, you didn't even have to wait for all this stuff to load. You could just click straight into localhost when your mouse is movable on FiveM, then just load into your server. Now, as you guys can see in the corner, it is the server 1. Now, if it doesn't work this time, then the car has an issue, because I did everything correctly. Alright, boom, and bam. Alright, now let's go to vehicles, spawner, cars, lowriders, muscle, gauntlet, and boom, right there, car. I do not know how to fix this text. I don't know how to fix that yet. Cause my other Dodge custom wheels for my charger, my 16 charger, I don't know how to fix that. But if you do, if you're more experienced with that than me, then just go ahead and do it. As you guys can see, this is an add-on vehicle, fully working. What the heck is all of that texture? Well, let me just go find another replacement vehicle I did, which is an add-on, which is with the police cars. Hold on. Let's get out there and get out of first person. I hate first person. You can fix the wheels though. Well, not fix them, but just change them. That'll be fine. Let's see right here. It's fine. What the hell is that? That's by it being a replacement. Yeah, by it being a replacement, it does the lights and stuff. I'm gonna make it just a straight add-on vehicle and just see how it works out. Make sure to see if it works out better. But let me show you guys one replacement vehicles I did, and it's just a straight add-on, which is no, it's not this one. That one has issues. Not that one. That's this one. Yeah, it's this one. That one's just fine. Oh, I didn't replace them. I did this one. This was an add-on. But yeah, this is fully working police car. If you get a police car, when you turn the lights on, you won't be able to see them like that. As you guys can see on mine, it's just like colors. Now, for that to work, get a visual mod called Refine. I believe it's called Refine. And you'll be able to see the lights perfectly fine. But anyway, I did not. Okay, cool. That's another vehicle I did. Oh, the charger. I did a charger like that. Hold on. Where's it at? This vehicle right here. You guys see colors, wheel texture, everything is there. And the lights work fine too. Lights work. Lights are not messed up. Did this one too as well. Now, but since this car being the car it is, you will see the brake lights and stuff. Even if you see this car on the server, you're gonna see the same thing with this yellow lights. But yeah, moral story is, like I said, some cars will run into these issues. Hold on. Let me go back to the little police cars. Now, at first, I did accidentally have it to where. See, look. What is that? Those are the textures for the car. Alright. But yeah, some vehicles you'll have issues with. Like that. This one. Those are by the same mod creator, by the way. Just only those two vehicles. And then I got a shitty charger. That's of Asia. I think I deleted it though. Yeah, I deleted that car. Because I had it set as the Asia. Or the Asia. Whatever the hell it's called. It's a compact or sedan. Yeah, I fixed that car already. I replaced the Astro with the Honda Accord. Once again. Nice, you know. I didn't do any other ones, so yeah, no. I only did replacement. I mean, not replacements, add-ons. Add-ons are better, but the only reason I did replacements because I want to see civs driving cars, not stock GTA cars. But let's get out of that. Let's fix this Challenger real quick. Now, another thing about FiveM, if you have a vehicle that has a pretty large amount of texture, which not even being as big as you think, like say a Ram pickup, for instance, what I have an issue with, if your full screen mode is only set to 60 hertz, 19 by 1080, 1920 by 1080, if it's only set to 60 hertz, your game will lag seriously. Like it will every time you look at the vehicle, it'll start dropping down. But once you up the hertage, I said the hertage, that's not even a word, I'm gonna use that though. Once you up the hertz, then everything will be all fine. As for me, I have a 244 not is it 244 or just 240? It's a 240 hertz monitor, 0.5 ms, the Aros by gigabyte. I don't know how you say that. I forgot what model name it is, but it's a 0.5 ms, 240 hertz, and it is only a 1080p monitor, but it's a great quality monitor. And I can have those full 240 hertz, so I just put it all the way up on 240 hertz, and then I have experienced no lag no more. And it does not matter about your computer specs, because I have a high-end computer right here with a great graphics card, and all of that, and it still lagged like that, and I was confused myself until I fixed it. Anyway, let's go fix this Challenger. Just set it back to 392. That's all you gotta do. Now go back to resources. If you experience this problem, let's see if it works fine. That's a 392 challenge. Gauntlet list. No, move. 392 underscore high. Make sure you put the high. I don't think you should experience this problem anymore. 392 dot YTD. .392. Boom. Now let's go see if it works. Hold on. Anytime you add a mod to your server, you gotta do this. Hold on. You gotta redo this. Let's go open it again. Alright, boom. I just have it set to the name 392. I believe you can do this with any no, you can't, because the replaced vehicles do not come with a vehicle. So tired. They do not come with a vehicle meta file or the car codes or the handling or any of that, unless you're gonna copy it from a different vehicle and then add it to that vehicle. Other than that, you cannot make a replace vehicle add-on. But I mean, you can make it add-on, but just make sure you copy the car codes, the car variations, the handling, and all of that, and put it from a different vehicle. Just copy it and then add it to that vehicle. So F2 out of Franklin's house. Alright, now let's go spawn this car. Vehicle spawner, spawn by name.
Get the fuck out of here. This green hood.
Man, that girl got some pretty titties.
Where's he going? I think. Let me restart. Fast enough for that. Back in the days when I used to record, man, computer was not fast enough. I had to edit it and then still be waiting there for years. My computer used to take centuries to load FiveM back then, and I was still playing it. The starting graphics card I had with FiveM was a freaking GT710, 1 GB graphics card with a Core 2 Q6600 Core 2 quad, and then only 7 GB of RAM. No, did I have 7 GB of RAM then? No, I only have 4. And I was still playing on minimum settings. So that shows you you'll be fine. I mean, it was playable, but if you go on them servers with, you know, all of the mods, the building mods, all of that, then you're just gonna be SOL. What the? Hold the front door. I know it's still not. Hold on. If it's still like this, let me see. Yeah, no, hold on. Give me a second. Oh, it was SRT. Let me see what the name was. SRT 392. Did I spawn it? It's gonna crash me. When it does this, normally it's gonna be a hot minute before the card spawns. I hate that. It happened with the first card I had. Can't open that. It didn't even open. Connection waiting for game to shut down. Shut down. Why I can't? Oh, better. I'm just gonna close FiveM out. Now, here goes the troubleshooting vehicle part. If it doesn't work by its original spawn name, which is SRT 392, yeah, there's issues. Yeah, F1 not, yeah, I had to close that one. F1 menu's not opening. Lord, Lord, Lord. Still. Let's manually send heartbeats. Please work. Yep, don't know why. The lambda menu disabled, period. I don't even have super jump on no more. Let me fix that vehicle. Stop BSing around trying to find a easy way to fix this vehicle. I don't even know what's wrong with this vehicle. Let's close that out. Let's do this. Go back. What did I do the first time? Go to vehicles. Is it because I name it the same? SRT 392. SRT 392. I believe that's probably why. SRT 392. Alright, yeah, I believe that's why. Hurry up so I can close this. Start FiveM. Local host. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, almost done it is. Please work now. I believe that's probably, I didn't do that the first time. Spawner, let's go. SRT 392. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's just with the vehicle period. Yeah, that's all that is. This may be. As you guys see, I didn't miss anything. I wonder about the taillights and something like that, so. DK, don't know. Let's just go find one more vehicle. So let's still do that then. Okay. Maybe I need to do one more vehicle. Mind you guys, I am learning myself. So if some experienced people do want to comment down in the description, then you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Test server. Resources. Vehicles. No, I do not want my pets driving a silver car, a silver wheel vehicle. So, yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Okay, let's go find another vehicle. Now, as you guys can see in his pictures, tail lights are red, and that's not black. So, in his pictures with the Challenger, wheels not doing that. Taillights are red. SRT 392 badge is red. Everything is, you know, good, fine. Inside, got its actual stuff or whatever. Yeah, I don't think I didn't miss anything. Downloads. Did I even extract them? No, I didn't. Let me check. Because it might have been a DDS file in here for the colors. Common data levels. That's the vehicle meta. Data, no, that's language. Vehicles RPF. No, I'm not missing a damn thing. Comment data levels. DJ 5. No, not missing nothing. Let's see if extracting it helps, which I don't think it does, because didn't extract a lot of my cars. Maybe it does matter though. No. No. Oh, almost did the dummy. Let's minimize you. Open you. Boom. Boom. Vehicles. Dang, I did need open IV open. Let's see, 392 child. I won't need to do. I will not need to do the insure anymore because I'm just replacing the files. Oh, come on now. Alright, now let's just do this. Let's do that. Copy. Copy and replace. Don't copy. Delete you. You're old. You know, it's the same size as delete. Vehicles. Let's go back. Common data. Car codes. Copy and replace. Replace. Oops. And copy and replace. There's literally nothing else in there. So if it doesn't work now, it's just SOL. I want to do a vehicle phenomenal for you guys before. Well, not even phenomenal, just it come out great. I pretty much did everything already, but if you guys are still in the video, click a like, share, subscribe, and yeah, while I troubleshoot this vehicle. Okay, I don't need that. A lot of videos on the way. A lot more than just computer stuff, game stuff. A lot more. Actual, like pranks and stuff now. Like me being, ouch, here. So by me being, oh, I may be too close. By me being a procrastinating person, it's like I can say everything I want to, but I have to do it. Not even say it, anything with this video. I was just like, you know what, let me do that. Big one. My name SRT392. Boom. Yep, that worked. Oh, of course. What the fuck? Like, so all vehicles, uncompress them. Yes, let's go. Uncompress your vehicles. And the sound works. It's not even the same sound. Holy. But the two vehicles that are messed up, I showed you, which are the police vehicles, they are actually messed up because I extracted those vehicles. And they're still showing up like that. They were worse than that, just showing the texture files of the vehicle. But they were worse than that. So my Honda Accord. I want to eventually get to have a lot of vehicles being replaced everywhere. Damages were pretty fine. Please say it. GTA. This car. Okay. That car's weird. So look how damage on GTA cars. This is on here. So damage works. Play around with it. So where's the police at? I want you guys to see that I replaced. Actually, I show that. Why is it going so far? I actually added a script to. Yeah, I think it's script. Keep messing your car, buddy. So yeah, anyway, glad I got it first, so another give, I couldn't find a new Explorer for nothing, a non-ELS new Explorer, I couldn't find one for love. All of these are old vehicles, all old boy Explorers. I want to see a charger, but hold on a second. As I said, I took all chargers out. Yeah. Alright, y'all, okay, actually, let me see what I was talking about. Hold on. They never start shooting. So, let me show you guys what I'm talking about with the RAM.
On Eastbourne Way in Rockford Hill.
So, let me spawn this RAM. Spawn by name. Alright. RAM right here. Now, it's not doing that right now. Let me enter full screen. Full screen. Auto 60 hertz. Mind you, it said 60 hertz, right? Okay. Hold on. As you guys can see, look, that drop. The smoothness. Every time I turn through this vehicle. It's a huge drop. Look at that. And if you have a weaker system, that'll be terrible. Alright, now let me show you guys that the little method I have works. Settings, graphics, as you guys see, 60 hertz. 144 may work, 240 hertz. Let's do that real quick. Alright. Alright. No, nothing. So, if you have a vehicle that does anything with anything laggy like that, then make sure to do that in your settings. Turn the hurt rate up. So, alright, disconnect. Let me make that back the gauntlet, because now it's a working vehicle. Now I have to do that with those police cars. But I think I pretty much covered everything with you guys. How long has this video been? An hour and 39 minutes. Hour and 39 minutes. Okay. Shoot. That's a long time. The longer I go, the more this is going to be for me to edit. No, let me go fix all of the vehicles because no. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Let me go. I'm going to go fix all of my vehicles that I didn't extract. Even though if they didn't have the problem, they probably have something wrong with them. I'm going to go fix them all. Then I'm going to probably upload a video. Just the progress of my server or something. In the meantime, before I start uploading majority of my videos. So, peace, subscribe, like. Hopefully this helped you out, and hopefully you learned how to troubleshoot a car. Cause I know I did. Anyway, still a learner, trying to teach you guys something that most videos do not have straightforward. Alright, thank you. Bye.